Good afternoon! Time to cook dinner again. So, ito yung naisipan ko. Instead of rice, so mag-carbonara na lang kami. Philippine style carbonara. Prepare a pot of boiling water. Place the spaghetti pasta in the pot. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until al dente. Stir the pasta to evenly cook. The pasta is now cooked. Now let's prepare the ingredients: spaghetti pasta, all-purpose cream, 18 cheese, ham, and onion, garlic, and evaporated milk. Now the pan is ready. Put some oil and let it heat up. We will start to cook our carbonara sauce. Swirl the pan to spread the oil, then soak the onions. Mix and let it cook for a few seconds. Next, add the garlic, then mix again. You will know that it is cooked once the garlic releases its toasty smell. Continue mix the garlic and the onion. Then you will know if it's brown, it will release the good smell. Then now add the ham. Mix the ham. And fry the ham for a few minutes. Until brown. After 2 minutes, it's supposed to be add the sliced mushrooms, but I have no mushroom, so I didn't add it. So mix the ham and saute for another 2 to 4 minutes. Pour the whole can of evaporated milk. And mix and let it simmer. Continue mixing. Then now add the all-purpose cream. If needed to add the water, you can add it. But if no need, so don't add. Mix again and simmer on medium fire until it thickens. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper and then mix again. Add salt. It's up to you if you need to add the salt, but this is optional. Add a pinch of dried rosemary leaves if you have available, but if don't have, so don't add. It's up to you. You can use other seasonings or just salt and pepper. Continue to mix it simmers. Give it a taste to check if it is good. After simmering for about 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's time to add the pasta. Then mix until the pasta is covered with carbonara sauce. Mix to incorporate all the ingredients. You can turn off the heat at this point. Let the remaining heat cook the pasta by stirring. Then add the grated cheese, as many as you can. You can add the Eden cheese or the sliced cheese. I don't have Eden cheese, so I put sliced cheese. Same as taste. Then mix again and let the cheese melt. Now my carbonara is looking so good and yummy. I can't wait any longer to test my carbonara. Yummy. Sarap, sarap. I can eat now. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for always support me. I love you all and miss you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Take care, everyone. God bless us. Thank you so much. Please always support me.
Oh, ingon si Lucy.
Your support is really
Pag-relax
good
sa pag mga 30 minutes.
and help me